I'm Shizhe. I'm a researcher from IROS. I'll present our work, Object-Go Navigation with Recursive Implicit Maps. Object-Go navigation aims to find any object instances of a target class in unseen 3D environments. The input of the task is a target object class, such as a chair, the egocentric RGBD images, and optionally the agent pose at each step. The output is the discrete actions at each step, such as move forward 25 centimeters, which are simple commands to control a robot. We want the robot to explore the unseen environment and find the target object as soon as possible. This task is quite challenging. First, it requires geometry understanding, including the ability to avoid collisions and also build long-term scene memory to explore the unseen areas more efficiently. Second, it requires semantic understanding. Beyond object recognition, it's also important to have common sense knowledge of the scene arrangement. For example, knowing that chairs are usually in the living room rather than in the kitchen can optimize the policy to prioritize the search in living rooms for a chair. To address both geometry and semantic challenges, we propose an end-to-end learning-based method called Recursive Implicit Maps. The implicit map is an abstract representation of the scene, an H times W times C tensor, where H and W are the spatial size of the map, and C is the dimensionality of latent vector for each cell. The implicit map is initialized as zeros in the new environment. Given the input RGBD image at the first step, we first use a frozen clip image and depth encoders to extract the semantic and geometry-aware latent features. Then we use a multi-layer transformer to update the implicit maps with the encoded features and predict the next action. The model does not require any prior knowledge for map construction, but simply learns from the data to save task-relevant information in the map. The model continues to take new visual observations and recursively update the implicit map and predict the next action. To improve the learning of implicit maps, we propose 3 auxiliary tasks besides the behavior cloning for action prediction. The visual feature prediction task aims to infer visual representations of a target location given the implicit map. The second task, explicit map construction, aims to predict a real egocentric occupancy map based on this implicit representation. And the last is the semantic prediction to enhance object recognition given the visual input. We use MP3D human demonstrations in Habitat Simulator to train the model and test it in 2 types of unseen environments. The main evaluation metrics include the success rate (SR) and SPO, success rate penalized by path names, to consider the navigation efficiency. In MP3D dataset, our model significantly outperforms the previous explicit maps and also implicit memories. And on the cross-data evaluation on HM3D dataset, our model also generalizes better. We evaluate the base size of the implicit map on our dataset. We found a 5 times 5 size works best, as our navigation length is not very long. The small size of the implicit map makes our model more efficient. Finally, we show that with fine-tuning our few real-world demonstrations, we can achieve about 60% success rate for 7 objects in the real world. Here are some examples in the real world. Our method is able to find different objects in the environment, such as chairs and plants. To conclude, we propose a recursive implicit map to encode navigation histories for object-go navigation and use 3 auxiliary tasks to enhance the map learning. We achieve state-of-the-art performance in the simulation and promising real-world results. For more information, please visit our project website and check out our poster.